First of all, I would like to congratulate Malkangiri Solidarity Network Hyderabad for organizing this protest. And secondly, coming from Odisha, uh, I know that Odisha as a society is very much passive in terms of social movements. So, if you go the history of recent, atrocities in Odisha, if you go to the district of Bolangir where a whole basti was burned, Dalit basti was burned, there was no protest at all in Odisha. At the same time when the whole India was burning because of the Delhi rape case, Delhi gang rape case in 2012, there were equally a larger number of rape cases in Odisha, like one is from same Bolangir district, there was no protest at all in Odisha. So basically regarding this Malkangiri issue, if we observe the political economy of Odisha, like who is controlling the media in Odisha, who are in the opposition party, and who are controlling the mining industries in Odisha. So basically these are all the same people. If you see all the leading newspaper dailies in Odisha, those are controlled by either the ruling party leaders or the opposition party leader, basically from upper caste, and they are the same people who have a large interest in the mining sector. And all these Adivasis people are residing in the mining, what you call the natural resources dominated area. So they have no at all any interest to raise the issue of the Adivasis in Odisha. So now after so many days, if you see this 300 is a very small number in terms of, if we see in last, after 2008, the government data shows that more than 7,000 children have died. So one interesting aspect is that the district officials now are like asking the questions like, where were these people who are protesting now? Where were these people when 7,000 children died? Why they are protesting now? So this is also a question on us, like what we were doing all these times. So basically, after all these protests which are going on in the country, now the winter session in Odisha Assembly is going on, and the opposition Congress is taking this issue in the Assembly. So basically, if you see, the largest circulated daily in Odisha is owned by a Congress MLA. So what he was doing until now? They have never raised the issue in their newspaper. And now this has become a sort of, issue taken by the civil society across India, and now they are jumping to appropriate the movement. So I want to challenge all these Brahminical ruling class parties and opposition parties and these media houses, if they are at all serious about this issue, they should fight from the beginning and not appropriate this movement after it is led by the Dalit and tribal activists themselves. Thank you.